Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you best ways to promote affiliate links. So if you are looking for what's the right way to promote affiliate links or what are the creative ways to promote affiliate links, then yes, this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can promote your affiliate links in a right way, guys. Right? So guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, and in that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to build your affiliate marketing business step by step. Right? So if you want to start your affiliate marketing business, then yes, down below I have put the link of my own ebook. Go and read that ebook. Right? So yep. So okay, now here, without any delay, let me show you how to promote your affiliate links in a right way, or you can say what are the best ways, guys, to promote your affiliate link, guys. Right? So guys, here my best, you can say, strategy is that guys, whenever time comes to promote your affiliate links, always use custom domain, guys. Yes guys, always use custom domain. What I mean by that, guys, here guys, what we do, let's suppose I'm promoting ClickBank products. As you can see, I'm into my ClickBank account, right? So I'm assuming that I'm going to promote this this product, the 12-minute affiliate system, right? So what most people do, guys, they grab their affiliate link, as in our case it's a hop link, we call it hop link, guys. So this is the final link, guys, right, to promote this same offer. So most affiliate marketers, especially those who are new, what they do, they grab their affiliate link and start promoting this same affiliate link that looks ugly and long looking, and somewhere it looks spammy, guys. Guys, you tell me, if I give you this link, will you click on that? Chances that you will not, right? So guys, here the best way is that always use custom domain, guys. Custom domain, like you can buy domain that is related to your niche or related to your affiliate offer, or any generic domain you can buy. Come on guys, understand this. Whenever time comes to do affiliate marketing business, think for long term, guys. You are doing this affiliate marketing business for long term, right? So yes, invest in a domain, guys. I think it's hardly you can say you need to pay hardly $5 to $10 for 1 year, guys, right? So yep, I would highly recommend you guys use custom domain. So as in my case, guys, so I'm assuming that I'm going to promote this offer, right? So considering that, guys, considering my niche or my affiliate offer, I have bought a domain, guys. Let me, actually I'm using Namecheap, guys, to register domain. Or yes, I'm also hosting my blog using Namecheap, guys. It's a good, guys, it's a good registrar, domain registrar. By the way, if you want to register your domain, down below I have put the link of Namecheap. You can go and check out, right? So yes guys, considering my offer, I have bought a domain that is make affiliate commission, guys, right? So guys, here what you need to do, click on domain list. After I'm assuming that you have bought your domain, guys, then go to domain list and then go to your domain name, guys, that you want to use for promoting your affiliate offer. So as in our case, it's a make affiliate commission. So go to manage section, and now here, guys, what you need to do, guys, can you see that redirect domain? And then click on that, add redirect. Here you need to put your domain name, guys, right? So as in our case, it's a make affiliate commission. Click on that, and then guys, the affiliate link that you have copied, you need to put in, like, let me just copy again. So this is my final link, guys. Copy, and then guys, come here and destination URL and put here, guys, and then save. So guys, in that case, guys, this is your final link, guys. This is your final link. So guys, now you tell me, if I give you this link, makeaffiliatecommission.com, chances that you will click on that, and if you see that yes, this affiliate offer that I'm promoting is useful for you, this will help to solve your problem, then chances that you will buy this offer through me, guys, right? So guys, if someone click on that, then yes, this time it will redirect to my affiliate offer that I'm promoting, guys. This is 12-minute affiliate system, guys. You can see that, guys. 12-minute affiliate system, right, guys? So guys, this is the best way, guys, to promote your affiliate link, guys, right? Don't promote your ugly looking or you can say long looking affiliate link that looks spammy, guys, right? So this is not the right way, guys, right? And yes, guys, here not only you can promote ClickBank products or ClickBank affiliate link, you can also promote any affiliate offer using this method, guys. I'm assuming that let's do this. Okay, and I'm assuming that you are going to promote any other offer, guys, right? So here go to advanced DNS section, and I'm going to delete this one, guys, right? Delete. Right now everything is clear, right? So again go to domain section. So now this time I'm going to promote any other offer, guys, but my domain will be the same. So I'm assuming, okay, yes, can you see that it's a 5-day lead challenge? By the way, guys, if you are struggling how to get leads for your online business or affiliate marketing business, then I would highly recommend you go and join this 5-day lead challenge program, or you can say training by Brunson. Down below I have put the link, you can go and check out. This training is absolutely free, guys, right? So yes, guys, so this is my link, guys, that I'm going to promote. Copy, come here, and then guys, same process, guys, redirect domain, right? This section, domain, redirect domain, and then add redirect, select your domain and put your affiliate link and then save, guys. So this is my, you can say, final link, guys, this one, right? So now if I click on that, then yes, it must be taken to, yes, 5-day lead challenge, guys, right, guys? So guys, you can see that, guys, this is the best way, guys, to promote your affiliate link using custom domain, guys. Don't promote your you can say long looking or ugly looking affiliate link, guys. This is not the right way, guys, right? Use this method, and this method is very simple, guys, right? You need to do simply you need to buy your domain, right? You can use any you can say registrar, domain registrar, but in my case I'm using Namecheap, guys, right? So simply by you can say, I'm assuming that you are using Namecheap, simply select your domain, then go to redirect section, select your domain in source URL, and in destination URL section put your affiliate link, guys, right? Or affiliate offers link that you are going to promote, and then save, guys. That's it, guys. And now this will be your final link, guys, right, to promote, guys, right? And that link you can promote anywhere, guys. You can put your link in your, you can say, Facebook profile bio section, right? Or in, you can say, you can put your this link on your Twitter bio section, guys, right? So it's up to you, guys, wherever you want to put the link. This will be your final link, guys, right? So guys, now you know what's the best way to promote affiliate links, guys, right? And yes, if you have any question, then yes, ask your question down below. I will try my level best to answer to you, guys. And yes, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and subscribe to my channel, and down below there is a bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the training that is related to affiliate marketing, right? So yep, go and hit that bell notification so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So yes, this is all about for today, guys, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.